Hello everyone, this is introduction of 3D function settings in VMP software. Firstly, run VMP software, select a device or device group in device list, and then go to output menu and enable 3D function. Source format. This is to set the format of the 3D video source, which includes side-by-side, top and bottom, or frame sequential according to the format of the accessed video source. Right eye offset. This is to set the start position of the right eye image. When the video source format is side by side or top and bottom, the left and right eye images will be provided and this parameter can be set. Eye priority. This is to set which image is sent first, the right eye image or the left eye image. Wear the 3D glasses to watch the display, and if the display is abnormal, the other parameter value needs to be set. If the display is normal, then the setting is done. Cast emitter. Enable this function when a third-party 3D signal emitter is used. Emitter delay. Set the delay time of sending synchronization signal from the 3D signal emitter to the 3D glasses. This setting ensures that the switch between left and right eye images of 3D glasses is synchronized, and this parameter is applicable to both the NovaStar and the third-party emitters. Please note, 3D function is unavailable while frame rate multiplication and low latency are enabled.